Zola Maria. Hey, what are the guys do? The lot of moto. Hey, le amo dozo. Hey, Jesus! Kinege.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Tix TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 15th of August 2025, live and direct, the service of Magnetic Tix TV is bringing this news to you. Cheer up. Today it is a good news. It is indeed a good news. Why do we say it is a good news? Okay, now listen. It is a good news because the Biafran Liberation Army has finally came out from the bush to engage the Musa guys, and they gave the Musa guys what to do. Today being 15th of August 2025, they bite a lot of Musa guys and Asari guys who are busy entering into some communities or villages in Okigwe, buying younger ones, buying any man they see on sight. They refuse to enter into the bush where the Biafran Liberation Army are. Rather, they went into communities, into villages, and they started buying people, destroying houses, putting houses on fire, and the Biafran Liberation Army has gotten order from the Triple G Igwe Butuzo to go and engage them. Finally, they came out of the bush and they are engaging the Musa guys and they are giving them what to do. The Musa guys ran down into their camp bitterly because the casualty they received from the Biafran Liberation Army today was much. It was unbearable to them. And Jacob narrated everything that happened. Listen to him.
Mpandempa, His Excellency, the Major General of Biafra Liberation Army, in the person of Maazi Gentle the Yahoo, Igwe Obatobie nke izizi n'ala Okigwe gbaa gburugburu. Mpa ekelele m gị. Ọmụawụ nwa gị nwoke Angel Makeup aka Archangel Lucifer. Mpa ọzụọna o. Ask him come to give us note based on the information I am receiving right now. This is 6:22 in Biafra time. I am reporting this information back to you, Mpa, that your men in Okigwe are doing the needful. The Musa boys are crying in Ako. The Nigerian terrorist soldiers who has come to kill Okigwe youth has been running away from Ako as I'm talking to you, Mpa. Mpa, these enemies are running, these fools are running. And I want to use this opportunity to bring the attention of the international leaders of Biafrans all over the world and all the enemies of Biafrans and of those who contributed money to federal government and state government in order to come and fight the men on the ground, the Biafra Liberation Army, the Biafra resistant fighters, and the Biafra defense forces. Mpa, these evil demons are collecting it woto. And I am challenging anyone that is hearing my voice now, and let this voice note go viral. I am challenging anyone to start calling the Nigerian government, asking them what are the terrorist soldiers collecting in Ako, Okigwe, Omololo Okigwe, woto promas. Mpa, your man ji Ogbunigwe, Ogbu onye mgbe ndụ na-atọ ya ụtọ wee sụọ ndị a nkwụtankwụ ammo tanker breakdown. Their ammo tanker breakdown. Their full soldiers pụtara ka ha were ụkwụ bịa rescue the ammo tanker. Ewerekwe ogbu onye mgbe na-atọ ya ụtọ Ogbunigwe Biafra wee sụọ ha kwụtụkwụtụkwụtụ. Mpa akwa na ahịa na army camp now. Ebe ka odike, where are you? Your time is up. Kedu ha? Hope of them, the people you sent to come and kill the people of Okigwe. Hope of them, I am telling you, you as a fool, call your terrorists in Okigwe to know what is going on. They are dying in mass. And I want to use this opportunity to warn any hospital in Okigwe that hospitalize these demons will immediately visited. The men on ground have taken it that the challenge. The world are asking, where is the Biafra Liberation Army? People are asking, where is the Biafra Liberation Army? Biafra Liberation Army have come on board. Is dealing with them now. Make a call in Akuna. Make a call in Okigwe to ask the soldiers. Ask soldiers what is going on right now. Today is 15th of August. Mpa, this is the situation report I want to give to you. Major General Gento the Yahoo, Mpa, your men carry Musa are playing. Fulanis are playing. Mpa, according to the information I am receiving, your men in Okigwe are dealing with them. Woto. Mpa Monsa. More updates. I will be giving you updates over what is going on in Okigwe, Mpa. Mpa Monsa. Power and authority. Power to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Power to Mazi Simeon Ekpa. Power to General Butosa. Power to Major General Gento the Yahoo. Power to all the Major Generals. Power to all the generals. Power to all the commanders of the Biafra Liberation Army. Power for all the soldiers for taking this battle to the next level. Musa, we are coming. You understand that this is the land of Biafra. This message is coming to you from the office of Major General Gento the Yahoo, the Major General of Biafra Liberation Army. This message is coming to you today, being the 15th of August 2025, over the ongoing genocide war that is still going on in Okigwe. And this information is that any youth in Okigwe should stop traveling with your Android phone. What the Nigerian armies are doing currently in Okigwe inside town now is when they stop you, they will collect your phone. When they search your phone and they saw anything like Biafra flag or Biafran news or anything relating to Biafra in your phone, you are gone. And many youth has been unalived through this. They are invading the communities, killing Okigwe youths, adopting Okigwe youths, and the international communities are not saying anything. And Biafrans in diaspora are not saying anything. And instead of the youths of Okigwe missing on daily basis, that is why Major General Diyawu have come up for me to tell you that you should be careful with your phone. It is better you don't travel again with any Android phone. Not just because of Biafra. They want to use, this is another way of catching and arresting youths. And another message, another information from the office of Major General Diyawu is for the people of Arondi Zog, the stakeholders of Arondi Zog, the politicians of Arondi Zog, Mazi Zumes, Eze Kosman, Eze Awa, na the entire PGs, both home and abroad, and the men, the rich men of Arondi Zog, Gentle Diyawu, the Major General Gentle Diyawu, who devoted himself to eradicate Fulanis out of Okigwe state, out of Okigwe land, out of Ekpora. Gentle Diyawu want to use this medium to remind you, the people of Arondi Zog, that he has observed how you supported federal government, not just a state government, not just Hope Osadema, how you funded federal government in order to come to invade Okigwe state, Okigwe land. It is under a record. So my people, remember that today's date is 15th. If you are a youth in Okigwe, please be careful with your phone. Una gazini jabane. India later ambush na the whole streets to make sure that the unalived Okigwe youths. And this war is not only Biafra Liberation Army. It's not, this war now is not about Biafra Liberation Army. This is a war against Biafrans all over. What Gentle Diyawu is doing, Gentle Diyawu is defending his own people. Gentle Diyawu is defending you. The Biafrans all over the world, even the international community leaders, have observed how Nigeria federal government recruited bandits, recruited criminals, recruited Boko Harams, ISWAP, Fulani headers, Fulani herdsmen, recruited the Bubago, Tiger Base, Asari Dokubo, employed Asari Dokubo in order to wipe out the entire youth of Biafrans. And this eradication of Biafrans started in Okigwe. Please, Gentle Diyawu is asking, demanding, and warning the youth of Okigwe to stay vigilant, to continue to stay vigilant, that he will be updating you the situation on the ground. Please, if you are an informant, if you are any village that accepted these criminals, we later hear from Biafrans. We are not going to tolerate saboteurs in our land anymore. This message is coming to you from the Major General Gento the Yahoo, the Papa Okigwe in general.
Guys, this Ebube Jesus is still saying the right thing. Listen to this young prophet. This young prophet is in fact a true Biafran. He believes in Biafran spirits. He believes in Biafra. He believes in Mazen Dekalo. He believes in Simon Ekpa. He believed that if there is no unity, it will be very difficult for us to achieve this Biafra. And that is the exact point we have been saying since. Let there be unity. Let there be unity. Some people are saying that we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, are against Ngozi Orebeze. But we have already made them to know that we are not against anybody. We are not on the side of Ogenkene. Neither are we on the side of Ngozi Orebeze. We are on the side of the truth. Let there be truth. Let there be harmony. Let there be love among Igbos, among Biafrans. If this Biafra is going to come in through the hands of Simon Ekpa, let it be. If it's going to come through the hands of Mazen Dekalo, let it be. Nobody is more important than the other, provided that there is love, provided that we are standing on one umbrella. That is exactly what the Magnetic Gist TV believe on. So some of my followers who believe that we are against Ngozi Orebeze, no, we are not against anybody at all. We are saying let there be peace. We want peace to return in the land of Biafra. Let there be peace. All the buying is too much or more.
I'm doing here, I'm doing it with my own money. So please, I'm begging Soludo, please release the drivers of those car, those vehicle. Soludo kpochiri those drivers. Igbo bụ ndị Hausa, ofu bụ onye Igbo, and refuse letting them to go. Soludo, those trailers is not my trailer. Oh. Those trailer brought my trailer. The only thing but my own is those clothes and those machine. The properties being that small diner covered and the two trailer that you are seizing, they are not my own. You are putting another person that is trying to feed his children in problem. Salute, I'm begging you. Remember, like I said earlier from the beginning, I am not ordering you. You are a governor, and Anambra is my state. So I am begging you, please, release these drivers. Let them go. When I was told that this thing is from federal, I went extra mind, contacting every personnel that I know to work in this matter. And finally, I discovered that, please, your sound, your voice, your this thing, please. Finally, I discovered that it's not the federal that is seizing those trailers, that is you. And my people in Anambra State, I contacted them and I saw the video because you told them that you want to die everything. So Ludo, did you want to share your political children, my machine? That will be over my dead body. It is not a challenge, but Nasusibo, please. Now, coming to Akwa that you presented, that your boy, one of your boys told me that is why you are angry over me. Soludo, you are angry over me because of Akwa. See, your boy told me everything. You can say it's my thought, not the very on a very good day. it will be my turn. So I'm a pastor, but let me say this to you. Okirikiri ka na-agba ukwu ose adịghị enu. Nkiri nkiri ka na-ekiri ụmụ Chineke ji ha ya erekwa ọgwụ. You are a governor. I know. I will not report you to Ateze. I will not report you. It won't be like the last time. I will not report you to Ateze at all, so that you will not say that Akome every year I abakura ato again a phone. If not for ato, I will not. If for those bike, those aqua lapandi nne inweru nne soludo. Your wife tomorrow will become nne tomorrow. I will not report you to ato. I will not. Asụsụ m na-asụ kịta bụ asụsụ sọsọ mụ na gị na-abụ na water, because some people ama mma ihe m na-ekwu kịta by a report gị to atọ mana ọ maka ifu vidio ịmarụgo ihe mminu ịmarụgo ebe m na-eje mana I will not do that because afọ m no year the next thing na-achọ ime then ọkpọ gị ọkpọ mụ. I will not do that. Akwa ịchọrọ ijide kedu mafia akwa ọkụkọ enwere ya akwa ọkụkọ megi enwere evidence igosila anyị na inweta na nke akwa ọkụkọ ekwu m na ga-erelease akwa ọkụkọ Chineke pucha ya say yes and it is right. It is right. Unu sị na ha sị na mbụ gị nwa sorukwu ose na ndị ụmụaka na-akọ eri that na mbụ na akwa ọkụkọ dị onye nwa na-akwụ agwọrọ m ọgwụ. So be it. Onye ọbụla nọ ndụ a ga-akọ akụkọ about him. Mana onye ọbụla nsị adịrọ n'ike wenye aka enu onye Igbo ka mbụ ejiro m ụjọ ta ikorobịa anatube m jụọ all these governors mụ na ị na-afụ mụ na ha enwere gọvanọ onye nugo m 10 naira nnata nugo 20 naira. That governor should come out and say Ebube Jesus you a liar. Only governor among all of them, I will not start mentioning. Let the person come out and say that Ebube Jesus I've given you money. I will drop Bible. I made my money. I don't beg any of you money. But what I want to beg you now, mekwe ihe ga-abụ rute echi ị na-aga n'ụzọ ka ị dị free. Chetekwa nwanne anyị nwoke onye gị na ya compete na gọvanọ the last time ọ nwụgokwa ọ dịkwa ndụ. Please, hey, ka enye me na downstairs that place. Please, I'm live. Open and there too much. I set every hoche na the other side. Bufuru hoche na company. Oh God. So like I was saying, our governor, because you are our governor, and you say I disrespect you. I don't disrespect you. I'm only telling you to do the needful. I'm not also telling you anyhow. I'm begging you. Release akwa ọkụkọ. And we are going to come not as a war. Please, immediately you get this video, I want you to share this video to Oba people. Ndị nne Oba mama. Ndị nne Oba mama o. Ndị nne Oba papa o. You to Oba kwen. Please, any them 150 youths youths 150 ndị youth n'ọba enidi m ndị nne 50 yes ndị nne kwesịrị ịdị involve enidi m ndị nne 50 making it 200,000 200. So biko onye nna chọrọ ejoin ya anyị jecha bata I will see you. anyị jecha bata onwunye m ga-emerụ gị mmerụ gị mana that day anyị ga-apụ anyị ga-abịagodo fụ igwe bụ unu akpụta efi enwe ike gbuo efi na abụọ maọbụ ofu ọ bụrụ ikpunye godo igwe ofu efi enwe ike gbuo ofu efi were ofu kene igwe anyị ncha niile anyị eje ije maka akwa ọkụkọ bụ nwanne unu nwoke and na-ekwu unu nkwa ndị youth niile pụta for this movement each person ga-ekete 50,000 each person ga-ekete 50,000 ndị nne niile pụtara ije a anyị ga-eje this month unu nye m reply from now between 26 27 25 m ga-adị free unu nye m reply ndị ọba anyị ga-march to government house so m ga-ebu costa ebụọ tiri onwe m ma m na-abịa ọ bụzie na ndị chọrọ iso anyị karịrị otu ahụ then achọta moto dị available any moto enweta I will pay m ga-enye any youth pụta for that movement 50,000 ndị nna anyị biko gị bụ onye nne fima mma marụ dat na mama m bịa iji gị mee caricature so iche na the 50,000 dị too poor kedu eme na mama ihe 1 million ma cheki enu mgbe m nyere each person 1 million 200 pieces akwanye 200 million onye nna ejeri ije amakwa na nna ejeri then kezie m ga-enye ndị Biafra so onya mere m ji na ya.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Can we interact in our comment section? Let us interact there. Yes, so let us interact there. Share this video, and once again, we all love you. Bye.